Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video of Dooley TV. It is Monday morning, and what better day to do something stupid than on Monday morning? Alright, I just got to my dad's house, and today we're gonna do stupid things. So, I'm just kind of waiting on parts right now to fix the BMW. And then I need to get a smoke tester to see if there's any leaks, because I'm pretty sure there is. But what I'm gonna do today is try to get some weight savings, because the car is broken, so why not just break it more? So plan is, we're gonna take the hard top off, and then the part where the soft top used to be, I ripped mine out. I'm just gonna try to rip out as many things as I can from back there that aren't necessary. Try to get some weight savings. Little by little, I guess. It's getting painted soon, it's okay. Alright, rear seats are out. Now, I want to get rid of seatbelt stuff, the headrests, and we'll see what else. I'm going to pop this open now to see what's back here still. Don't you love it when stuff just stops working? And the Allen key that I need is in here. Come on, buddy. Come on. There you go. Picture of my wifey in there, you know? So let's grab this Allen key. Come back here, put it in this little hole, and then you press this button down while spinning. Oh my god, I need a cameraman. Put this down right there. There we go. And I think this should be unlocked now. There we go. So this is all more stuff that we could take out. So let's go ahead and do that. Don't you love finding random bolts? Or nuts, I mean. I love it. I love it. Sick. So this is a hole directly into my trunk. Great. No, this will probably be the heaviest thing that I pull out. Am I really going to notice any kind of weight savings at all? No, probably not. And I already know you guys are going to come at me in the comments talking about, Dooley, you got a whole sub in your trunk and you're talking about weight savings. Bro, I don't care. Music matters, all right? These are heavy as hell. They go all the way down and it's all metal. So, I mean, it's the anti-roll system or the whatever safety system. So I would assume they're pretty hefty and heavy. Listen, man. They say length doesn't matter, but every pound counts. Okay, just to preface a little bit, you guys might think I'm stupid for taking out these safety bars, but it's not just for the weight savings, right? By the way, I just got all 6 bolts loose, 3 on each side. But it's not just for weight savings. The problem is that I run a hardtop, and this hardtop probably costs more than the car itself. And the last time I kind of hit the tire wall, my car lifted up, they shot out and they hit the glass. And what I'm scared of happening is this glass gets shattered, because I mean, I could only imagine how much that glass costs, and I'd rather, you know, well, I mean, I guess if I roll over, that thing gets destroyed. But either way, you know, I'm gonna try to keep this as safe as possible for as long as possible. My head will be safe. I have a whole cage in here, and these are supposedly pretty strong. So, yeah. Now I'm just gonna take out these 6 bolts and pull them out. All right, so I got the headrests off. This one is easy to come out. This was the driver's side. The passenger side, although, was a little bit rougher to take out. So this box basically sits like that, and it won't just slide out without pulling this box off first. And the nuts or the bolts for them are Loctited. So it's a little bit of a pain. And then as well as them being Loctited, they're these kinds, which sucks. Thankfully, my brother had some, which I used with a screwdriver attachment. Okay, so this is everything I pulled out so far. Headrests, the little thing for the soft top, the trunk separator, the safety bars, seat belts, rear seats. This is what it looks like for now. Obviously, I'm not going to leave it like this. I plan on making some kind of delete plates for the backrest and the seat rest. Probably out of some kind of aluminum or something. And then I do plan on taking out the carpet sometime this week, because I'm taking these bucket seats back out. I got sliders finally, so I'm going to put sliders in. And then I'm probably going to try to do something about these sandpaper seats. And when I do that, I'm just going to take out the whole carpet all in one go. As far as the panels, this panel, door panels, dash, all that is staying, as well as the center console. Because in the front of the car, I want it to feel like full interior other than the carpet. Back of the car doesn't really matter. And once I do delete plates, it'll look clean. Again, I'm not taking that out. Yeah, I don't know what else I could really take out right now. This unit controls the soft top, which I don't have anymore, obviously. But my worry about taking this out is that I won't be able to open and close this anymore, which is important because this locks basically right here. So I still want to be able to obviously open and close this for any reason. But yeah. Other than that, I don't really know what else I could do right now. I could start pulling out my seats, but that's a lot of work, so I'm probably not going to do that yet. I could also pull out this rear sub, but that's also a lot of work, and I'd have to disconnect the connectors that go to my sub. But yeah, I mean, all in all, realistically, right, this piece with the headrests, with those seat belts and the back seats, all in all, and I'm being very realistic here, everything together is probably only like 20 pounds. Now, is that a crazy difference that you're gonna feel? No. But does it help lighten the rear a little bit to make it slide a little more? Yeah, because the rear on this car is retardedly heavy. Sorry for my language. It's very heavy. So, I mean, hopefully it helps a little bit where it can. And, yeah. All right, so I'm actually super surprised. This is everything I pulled out. And I had just said to myself that it was like barely 20 to 30 pounds that I pulled out. Okay, go in the comments right now and tell me how much you think everything weighs. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I did the math, got the scale out and everything, weighed myself first, weighed myself while holding everything. 76 pounds. 76 pounds. That's crazy. So this weighed 13 pounds. This weighed 14 pounds with this. These weighed together 6 pounds. This weighs 11 pounds. This thing weighs 5 pounds with the seat belts, buckles, and everything. And then the seats, the back seat weighs 27 pounds. That's crazy. I did not think it weighed that much. Again, is 76 pounds really going to do anything for me? Probably not. Maybe. I don't know. That's wild. I'm like pleasantly surprised right now that it actually, took that much weight off. And it doesn't really even look like that much stuff. But yeah, I just thought that was interesting. And the curiosity got the best of me. And I really wanted to see how much everything weighed. So yeah, 76 pounds worth of stuff. Let me know if I messed up doing this. Let me know if you would have done the same thing. Let me know what you would have done different. For now, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more stupid videos like this one. We'll see you next time. Deuces!